Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now we're exploring exciting flavor twists and seasonal milkshakes to level up your blend game. How to make a thick, creamy milkshake at home. You need a method that is simple, repeatable and fast. Control the order of ingredients, the blending time, and the temperature, and your shake will look and taste like a pro made it. Step-by-step method and blender tips. Chill the glass in the freezer for 10 minutes. Add milk to the blender first, then ice cream, then syrups or extracts. Pulse to break up, then blend on low to medium for 10 to 20 seconds. Stop when smooth. For very thick shakes, use a tamper or stop and stir. Do not overblend, it warms the shake. No blender, no problem. Use a sturdy jar with a tight lid and shake, or use an immersion blender. Clean the blender right away so sticky syrup does not set. Fixes for thin, icy, or too sweet shakes. Too thin, add 1/4 to ½ cup more ice cream. Blend briefly. Too thick, add milk 1 tablespoon at a time. Pulse and check. Icy, skip ice. Use frozen milk cubes or freeze part of the milk in trays. Bland, add a pinch of salt or 1 teaspoon vanilla to boost flavor. Too sweet, add a spoon of cocoa, coffee or more plain ice cream to balance. Texture booster, 1 to 2 teaspoons milk powder can add body. Mix-ins, toppings, and presentation that wow. Mix-ins per shake, 1/4 to ½ cup cookies, fruit, or candy. Add near the end to keep pieces. Swirls, drizzle chocolate, caramel, or strawberry sauce inside the glass before pouring. Toppings, whipped cream, sprinkles, crushed cookies, nuts, or a cherry. Rims, dip the glass rim in syrup, then sprinkles or crushed cookies. Chill to set. Straws, pick wide straws for thick shakes. Safe ingredient swaps for kids and allergies. Skip raw eggs. Use pasteurized products only. Peanut or tree nut allergy, use cookie or fruit mix-ins instead. Clean tools well. Gluten-free, use gluten-free cookies or skip crumbs on the rim. Lactose intolerance, use lactose-free milk and ice cream. Label check, watch for cross-contact in cookies or candy add-ins. Easy milkshake recipes you can blend in minutes. These recipes use the base ratio so you can swap flavors fast. Keep everything cold and blend just until smooth. Classic trio, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Vanilla, 2 cups vanilla ice cream, ½ to 3/4 cup whole milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla, pinch of salt. Chocolate, 2 cups chocolate ice cream, ½ cup milk, 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup. Strawberry, 2 cups vanilla ice cream, 3/4 cup milk, 1 cup strawberries, 1 to 2 teaspoons sugar if berries are tart. Blend until smooth. Top with whipped cream. Fun flavors, cookies and cream, PB banana, mint chip. Cookies and cream, 2 cups vanilla ice cream, ½ cup milk, 4 chocolate sandwich cookies, crushed. PB banana, 2 cups vanilla ice cream, 2/3 cup milk, 1 banana, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, pinch of cinnamon. Mint chip, 2 cups mint chip or vanilla ice cream, ½ cup milk, 1/4 teaspoon peppermint extract, 2 tablespoons mini chips. Pulse to keep mix in pieces. Seasonal shakes for fall and winter. Pumpkin pie, 2 cups vanilla ice cream, ½ cup milk, ½ cup pumpkin puree, ½ teaspoon pumpkin pie spice. Apple pie, 2 cups vanilla ice cream, 2/3 cup milk, 3/4 cup cooked apples, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, crushed graham topping. Peppermint stick, 2 cups vanilla ice cream, ½ cup milk, 2 tablespoons crushed candy canes. Serve with whipped cream and a light spice dusting. Coffee and tea milkshakes, mocha, caramel latte, chai. Mocha, 2 cups chocolate ice cream, ½ cup cold brew, 1/4 cup milk. Caramel latte, 2 cups vanilla ice cream, ½ cup cold brew, 2 tablespoons caramel sauce, pinch of salt. Chai, 2 cups vanilla ice cream, Half cup strong chilled chai, 1/4 cup milk. Use decaf for kids. Keep coffee cold so the shake stays thick. Healthier milkshakes without losing flavor. You can lighten a milkshake without giving up texture. Use a bit less ice cream, boost with protein, or switch to dairy-free options that still taste rich. Low sugar and lower calorie tips. Use 1.5 cups ice cream plus half cup milk, then add frozen milk cubes for body. Sweeten lightly with dates, banana, or a small amount of maple or honey. Choose vanilla with no corn syrup if possible. Portion smart, pour into 2 small glasses to share. High-protein milkshakes for workouts. Add 1 scoop whey or plant protein to your base ratio. Or blend half cup Greek yogurt with 1.5 cups ice cream and half cup milk. Good flavors: chocolate, peanut butter, mocha, or strawberry. Adjust milk until it spins smoothly. Protein can thicken. Dairy-free and vegan milkshakes that stay creamy. Use dairy-free ice cream made from coconut, oat, or almond. Pick creamy plant milks like oat or coconut. Start with half cup. For extra body, add half frozen banana or 1 tablespoon cashew butter. Flavor ideas: chocolate coconut, strawberry oat, or matcha vanilla. Milkshake without ice cream, lighter, still creamy. Blend 1 frozen banana, 1 cup cold milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons milk powder or Greek yogurt, and flavoring. For chocolate, add 1 tablespoon cocoa and 1 tablespoon maple syrup. For vanilla, add 1 teaspoon vanilla and a pinch of salt. Add ice only if needed, and use just a few cubes to avoid an icy feel. Start with the simple ratio, keep everything cold, and blend just until smooth. That is the backbone of a great milkshake. Pick one recipe above and make it now, then save the base ratio so you can swap flavors with the seasons. Share your favorite mix-in ideas, and tag a friend who needs a thick shake in their life. Your blender is about to be very popular. Mix your favorites and make every shake unforgettable. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.